Well, here we are. We're going to do some wood cutting today. We get our logs by the log truck load, and so we end up having to stack them up and then cut them out, kind of by the cord. So it gets to be quite a task. Thankfully, we got an old hydraulic wood splitter. Kind of a weird rendition of it, but it attaches to the back of the dozer, and that's how we split our wood for the year. So it's January. Just basically knock out what we can just to stay ahead of it. There's no snow on the ground, which is abnormal for this time of year, but hey, strike while the iron's hot. If I don't have snow to slog through, it's a good day. Cut through here. Right. that chain's loose. It's just about wore out too. This pile here is green and is also frozen. So do what I can with what I got for now and bust it up in the spring. Hey, Squirt. Hey, Squirt. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, we ended up taking the sawdust and we used to throw it up in the garden area. Helps with composting. And because in the soil out here in northeastern Wyoming is very, very, let's say, futile to try to grow anything other than weeds or grass. So any kind of compost we can get or any kind of nutrient we can get into the soil is good. So this sawing logs like this is kind of, it can be dangerous as you're walking around on that stack and as you're trying to cut through that stack. It puts a lot of pressure on your chainsaw chain. As you can see here, it's got to stretch your chain out pretty fast. This is a 404 chain and a 24-inch bar on an old Stihl MS460. So it's the same one we replaced the tank in a couple of videos back. But it's been a good old saw for a long time. It's got the NWP big bore kit from Bailey's in it. So they say it takes it on up to like a 480 or something. I don't know. Don't have one to compare it to. Yay, Squirt. So, but it behooves a person to get all their firewood lined up and split up or covered up before springtime, or try to get it dried out as soon as possible. We burn a lot of pine in this country because there's not really much for oak. What you see out here is actually more box elder and what they call a bur oak. And a bur oak is real susceptible to heart rot. And when they heart rot out through the middle, you really don't have much to deal with. For instance, here's one right here, one of the old ones that is actually one of the few of this diameter that you can find in this area. But as you can see, in this pile, the center is all heart rot, so it doesn't make real good for burning. Man gave me the tree years ago, so hey, I'm thankful for whatever I can get out of it. So, but we use flatbed tarps, truck tarps. So off an 18-wheeler, a friend of mine that runs a trucking business, so I ended up buying one of his old tarps off of him. Those tarps will go for about $1,100-1,200 a new or more. And talk to your local trucking outfit. You can probably get one. They're about 30 feet long in a lot of cases and good 15-20 feet wide in some cases. And they have all different sizes. So if you're looking for something to hold your wood pile together, Home Depot tarps, we find that they blow away. We get 60-70 mile-an-hour winds out here quite often, and sometimes in the wintertime. It'll shred a Home Depot tarp in less than one season. These things are heavy vinyl enough to where they pretty much stay put. So yeah, these old truck tarps work real well. Go from one end of the pile pretty much all the way to the other end of the pile. So, usually the sides are pleated so you can get them flopped down over the edges. Some have them 4-foot sides, others have 6-foot sides. So, but made of a real heavy, like Fedora nylon or something. And then they've got like a vinyl coating over top of them with the heavy D-rings. So they're pretty easy to, if you have to put some force on them, pull them down. I even get up here and walk around on the thing once in a while when I'm stacking stuff, setting the logs in place. So yeah, get on local trucking outfits. A lot of times you can find them with a couple holes in them or whatever else for a couple $100, and cover your wood pile with them, especially if you're getting a logging truck load at a time like we do. So let's get what's on the truck and get it up to the house. So off we go. Panzer. He's a good boy. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Well, close of the day. Got our wood cut. It's on the truck. Panzer dog approved. Just gonna keep him warm for another night. So that's really all that matters. As long as pup dog's happy, we're happy. Hey, buddy. Stove's big enough to where I can put in about a 4 to 6 inch log, 2-3 foot diameter. Yeah, it's a pretty big wood stove. I'll do another video on it another day. But we also supplement with coal. The northeast Wyoming coal used to be and still is a major energy source. until the Obama administration shut down most of the coal mines up here. Put a lot of people out of work real quickly. But coal, we supplement with coal. I'll lay a couple of these big logs down, and I'll throw a few shovelfuls of coal in on top of it. And I'll do that about 7, 8 o'clock at night. I don't have to touch that fire again until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So, and it burns fairly clean in my fireplace, or wood stove. So, other than that, goodbye for now. We'll catch you on the next video. All right, bud. Good boy.